This is a 12-inch Toastmaster model number 5337, 3-speed. If you look closely at this fan, you'll notice that I kept all the patina on it. But I did clean the fan down with some pet urine. Oh, what do you call that? Pet urine something. Stain and odor remover. Pet stain and odor remover. This was used by a cigarette smoker, and the nicotine on this fan was in really bad shape, but I didn't want to clean it up to look brand new. And if you do look closely at the fan, you will see rust on the grill and the discoloration from the nicotine still on the front and back grill. It was a snow white in color. And it's just something about the name of the fan, Toastmaster. It had me leave this fan looking a little, that's right, a little bit like it's been toasted. Aluminum blade, steel body, front and back grills are made out of steel. The handle is plastic. And the knob is plastic. And I'm not sure, but if you look at this handle, there's grooves on it. On the other side, it's completely smooth. And when I got it, the grooves were towards the inside. And I don't know if it was supposed to be like that, or if it was supposed to be that the grooves to be showing. But I did flip it over so the grooves are showing. It still has all 4 of the original feet on the bottom. And it has the original plug and cord. So there you have it. My 5337 Toastmaster.